Okay guys, back with you. So here's what I found. I kind of like this, I don't know if you'd call that a thumb screw or not, but a hex thumb screw. It's a quarter 28. A little oversized, but you know, it'll be easier to get a hold of and so forth. All right, so we've got our number 3 drill bit. We've got a center drill. Our as far as our alignment goes, our X alignment should still be correct. We just need to get the Y um, taken care of. So we're just going to use a wiggler. I had to change chucks here. The quick change chuck is it only goes up to 3/8, and my tap follower is 1/2 inch. All right, let's see what we got here. Should have done that first, but you got to make at least one mistake. Just gonna see if our tap will start by hand here. So make sure we didn't get a burr on there. Yeah, feels good. Okay, let's see if this guy's going to fit. Nice. I'm probably going to end up shortening that a little. Oh yeah, definitely be shortening it. And I'm going to see if I can get a little brass puck in there also so we don't mar up the indicators. Okay. Alrighty. Well, our next thing to do, let me pop this out of here. I've got to lay out for the stop bolt, but I want to take it over to the lathe and make sure that I've got the elevation correct. Okay, let's head on over there. Okay guys, I saved you a trip over to the lathe. It wasn't that spectacular. So I just, and it was hard to get in there to see, but I've got a layout line here. Let me grab a nut to show you. This is pretty much the determining factor. So I want to have a lock nut on the carriage stop screw. So the peak of the hex on the lock nut was the determining factor. And I just gave it a little extra clearance and then just went in with a transfer punch and made a mark and then a scribe line. And once again, our x-axis should be still good. We're still locked down. We just need to set the y and go ahead and drill and tap. All right, let's go. That should be plenty deep. Remember, we're going to mill the back of that off. So that'll leave us plenty of thread. Okay, I want to put a little chamfer on this one that we forgot to do last time. Set up for that. Okay, had to change batteries. Camera died. Okay, so I've shortened this block up a little bit. Just cut it with the bandsaw. We're just going to clean up the end of it here with this face mill. Touch off here. Come down here. We'll lock the spindle. Touch off that much, but it's all right. Okay, so let's take 20 thou. Good. Okay. That end mill, or not end mill, but face mill, leaves a really nice finish. Does a great job. Okay, I'm going to change the setup. We got to take out this material here. Okay, we're going to mill out this corner chunk of material here. I think what I'm going to do is probably plunge cut this. So let me set up a depth stop here. Going to go by eye here, and then we'll clean it up with a milling pass. Okay, so right there. You know what? Let's just use this quick. All right, that looks good. Okay, here we go. what Tom over at Tom's Techniques recommends. Oh yeah. Find our mark here. That's pretty close.
Nice house.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you did it steel, you just have to do it slow.
Yeah. Not bad. Just set the block at a 45. No, you only, it does both sides at the same time. Yeah. Yeah, Tom from Tom's Techniques, he recommends just plunging in like this to get the majority of the material out, and then do standard milling.
And how do you do the corners? Set it up in the end?
Yeah, you'd have to pick it up in the end. I actually want it to be rounded, so this will be fine.
But if you had to do it, then you have to set it up this way.
Yeah.
Because you never want to do a finish cut anyway. Like you plunge it out, log it out, and come out with it loose.
Right, right. Well, we're just taking a partial cut. So we got uneven pressure. Alright. Now, let's clean it up a little bit. We'll reset.
I got this piece of paper clear coated.
Oh, you did?
And I got the car white.
Is that your decal that you're making?
Yep, it's clear coated.
Oh, good job.
You make your own decals?
Yeah.
Would paint it on the car and then clear cut it? She'd come out?
No, you.
Yeah, she can come out.
I printed it on
How do you know
paper.
somebody's here, huh? How do you know somebody's here?
I'm gonna go in the house to watch again how I do it, because I know you have to clear coat the vehicle in decals, which I've done,
Yeah?
and let them dry. Then I'll paint it.
He's really getting into it.
The race was just on this afternoon. They had the Martinsville was postponed from
Oh
yesterday.
yeah, I forgot all about it.
They had the truck race on this morning and then the cup race on this afternoon.
Okay, had to flip that end mill over. That edge was pretty bad. Okay, let's give it another try here. That's more like it.
Still a
Okay,
fair
I
amount of
like it.
HVAC stuff around.
Yeah, HVAC.
Hey, Papa, here's my van
This is all
completed without the
kitchen.
U-Haul
They
decals.
have these,
Hey, that looks good. Good
Mhm.
job.
It's a steamer and a almost like big oven. Like $66,000 or something like that.
So, one,
All right, just going to bevel this edge just to make it look a little nicer. Okay, there you go.